Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this freestyle outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay guys, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this dark brown color for all the selection and put on this necklace, and then you're going to make it black. And then put on this necklace as well. Make it this color for the first selection, second selection, and third selection. Okay, and you're going to put on this hat and you're going to make it this color. Sorry, for the first selection, you're going to make it this pattern. And for the next selection, make it this color, pink color. Third selection, fourth selection, and fifth selection. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to put on this corset. Alright, and for the first selection, I'm going to make it this color. This is for the color code. And for the second selection, make it this color. This is for the color code. And then I'm going to make it this color again. And for the fourth selection, make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to choose this Mary Jane shoes. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the skirt area and I'm going to put on this skirt. Alright, and I'm going to go to this jeans area. I'm going to select this jeans and we're going to remove the flower and make it this pattern. Alright, and I'm going to move to the changing room. Okay, and I'm going to go to the curves item and we're going to select this jacket, apply this pattern, and I'm going to select the skirt, choose the skirt only, and apply this pattern for the first selection, and for the second selection, make it this pattern, and the third selection, make it this pattern. Okay, and I'm going to select this item. We're going to choose toggle 3, and I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Alright, and go to the curves item, and I'm going to put on this bag, and I'm going to make it crossbody. And for the first selection, I'm going to apply this pattern. Second selection, make it this color. And the third selection, make it this color. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this freestyle outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!